Alright, welcome back to Nick's Let's Build Stuff. So just wanted to show you a bit of the backyard at the moment. There's the Mighty Mo shed that we're currently putting together. That's where it's going to go over there behind me. I'm going to post some photos of what our yard looked like and what we are transforming it into. We've just recently purchased this property, and so we're going to start renovating and extending on the house. So I'll post some photos once that starts, but this is the backyard now, and I'll post some photos of what it used to look like. You can see my Banksia serrata over there, a few turpentine trees, so in the photos you'll be able to see what was around them at the time, and disregard my pile of concrete there, which came from this area just here that I had removed, and the house will change, but I'll post photos of that once we start the renovations. Alright, thanks for watching. Cheers.